If you're hunting for a wireless keyboard that blends full functionality with portability, the ProtoArc XK01 folding keyboard deserves a closer look. Its full 105-key layout, including a number keypad, fits neatly into a compact design that travels well without sacrificing typing comfort or speed. Measuring 15.19 by 4.68 inches when unfolded, this keyboard offers a familiar workspace wherever you are. Whether you're typing up reports in a coffee shop or answering emails on a plane, the layout feels natural and lets you dive right into work without adjustment delays. One standout feature is its ability to sync with up to 3 devices simultaneously. Thanks to triple Bluetooth channels, you can switch between your laptop, tablet, and phone with just a press of a button. This seamless transition saves time and keeps your workflow uninterrupted across Windows, Mac OS, iOS, or Android systems. The keyboard's scissor-switch keys deliver a quiet, responsive typing experience. Designed to reduce over 90% of typical keyboard noise, the low-profile keys mimic the feel of a laptop keyboard. This means you get efficient, fluid typing without the distracting clicks that can disrupt your focus or disturb others nearby. Portability is clearly a priority here. The ProtoArc XK01 folds down to a compact 8.46 by 4.68 by 0.78 inches, making it easy to slip into a briefcase, laptop bag, or even a large purse. With a built-in 210 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers up to 5 months of standby time on a single charge, ideal for frequent travelers and remote workers. Charging is hassle-free with a standard USB-C cable, included in the package. This upgrade means you can use the same charger as your other devices, reducing the clutter of multiple cables and making it easier to power up wherever you are. Durability doesn't take a backseat either. The keyboard's aluminum frame provides excellent stiffness and resistance to bumps. Its smart magnetic hinges hold the keyboard securely when folded, preventing it from accidentally opening in your bag. This solid build ensures the XK01 can handle the rigors of daily travel. Some users initially noted stiff or tricky hinges, but a simple adjustment can resolve this. Carefully reseating the hinge clips ensures smooth opening and closing that lasts. Once set, the keyboard operates reliably and feels sturdy in hand. What changes when you switch to the ProtoArc XK01? You gain a versatile tool that adapts to your multi-device lifestyle, boosts your typing comfort, and fits effortlessly into your busy day. It's not just about having a keyboard. It's about having one that moves with you and works as hard as you do. If you value quiet, efficient typing and the freedom to connect multiple devices, this keyboard fits the bill. It's particularly worth considering if you often switch between your phone, tablet, and laptop during work or leisure. The non-slip pads on the bottom keep the keyboard steady on any surface, so you won't worry about it sliding around while you type. This small but crucial detail enhances stability, especially when working on uneven surfaces like airplane trays or cafe tables. Whether you're drafting emails, writing reports, or taking notes, the XK01's full-size layout means you won't miss a beat. The number keypad adds convenience for data entry tasks, making it more than just a travel keyboard. It's a full workstation in a foldable package. The combination of sturdy materials, long battery life, and multi-device compatibility makes this keyboard a solid investment for anyone who needs reliable input on the go. It's a practical choice for students, professionals, and digital nomads alike. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your mobile setup without sacrificing the tactile feel of a traditional keyboard. The ProtoArc XK01 offers a blend of convenience, durability, and performance that's hard to find in compact wireless keyboards. In short, the ProtoArc XK01 folding wireless keyboard is designed to meet the demands of today's mobile users. Its thoughtful features and solid construction provide a seamless typing experience that travels as well as you do. If that's you, someone who values a dependable, portable keyboard that works smoothly across devices, this is worth a look. It's more than just a gadget, it's a tool that helps you stay productive wherever work takes you. The keyboard's quiet keys, multi-device syncing, and sturdy aluminum frame come together to create a package that's both practical and durable. With easy charging and a compact fold, it's ready to go when you are. When you choose the ProtoArc XK01, you're investing in a keyboard that adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. It's a reliable companion for focused work, creative projects, or casual browsing, anywhere you need it. Consider adding this folding wireless keyboard to your tech arsenal if portability, quiet typing, and multi-device use are high on your list. It's designed to make your mobile workspace simpler and more efficient, without compromise.